one thing we do find quite consistently is that the degree to which people across the political divide are actually different is considerably less extreme than the degree to which they perceive themselves as different. So we have a lot more in common and a lot more common concerns than we often recognize. And political elites and partisan media tend to exacerbate that. Some of the ways in which we engage with social media also exacerbates that. And that's both because of how we engage, as well as things, simple things like algorithms that we're often not aware of that tend to put the real divisive, conflictual kinds of content in front of our faces and encourage us to be outraged on a regular basis. So we're doing some research, for example, looking at how just simply voicing opposition, and in some cases that means voicing opposition both to extremes on the other side, but also voicing opposition to extremes on one's own side, can help people to recognize that there's a diversity of opinions across the political spectrum, and that not everybody on either side agrees, right? And that there are ways in which we might be able to, rather than always being locked in this combat sort of position, recognize that there are ways in which, you know, we might actually agree across the aisle, and may not all always be quite as divided as we think.